Cole Home Comfort experts can not only come out and tune up your AC right now, they can also sanitize it inside of your HVAC system. John's here to tell us more. That's a fascinating thing. We can actually clean out the inside of our HVAC system.
Exactly. You'd be amazed what gets caught inside there.
I can only imagine.
All the air in your house is constantly circulating through that system. The air conditioning coil that sits either above or below your air conditioner is really a tightly woven radiator of metal that's extracting heat or moisture out of the air throughout the air conditioning season. That's collecting the dirt, the debris, the unfortunately viruses, germs, molds, mildews collect on there throughout the year. So it's very important for efficiency of the system every year. That's why we want to clean that. But in this heightened time of awareness, obviously sanitizing the system, something that we've been doing year after year after year. It's just obviously front of mind awareness right now.
I've got a couple videos I want to play here. I just put them back to back so we could play them both, and then I want to talk about them.
Rely on home comfort experts to keep your family safe and comfortable in these uncertain times. In fact, your new furnace is free with the purchase of an off-season air conditioner. Plus, you'll get 12 months with no interest and no payments. Lower your utility bills now with a high-efficiency air conditioner and a free furnace. Plus, no payment and no interest for 12 months. Call today or visit callhomecomfort.com.
Okay, so we'll go back to the second one in just a second. Let's talk about that. Now's the time. We've talked about this with Gary several times. It seemed like it was far off, but now April 30th will be here in just a few short weeks. We can take advantage of that free furnace, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. We've already been receiving calls for air conditioning. They were flirting with 70-degree temperatures.
Listen, I'm going to keep holding out hope that it happens next week.
So that time's coming again. Take advantage of that special. Get your air conditioner replaced. We are throwing the furnace in for free. Again, allowing customers the peace of mind for the next 12 months, no payments, no interest, let things settle out, but take advantage of the special, take advantage of the lower utility savings, take advantage of healthier, safer indoor air quality as well.
And really that offer allows you to, it's basically free money.
It is. You're using someone else's money for the next 12 months.
Which right now we could all
all
stand to do. The other thing that we've talked about before is the Remy Halo. Let's remind people about that. We talked about you can sanitize the inside of the HVAC system, but then this Remy Halo, you can put that in our system and it can just continue to keep things cleaner in our home.
Correct. So the Remy Halo actually just replicates what the sun actually already does in nature. Using UV lights, bouncing off of metallic substances in there, produces what's called a hydroperoxide gas. Hydrogen, oxygen, natural substances, completely safe for us, very low concentrations in the air. And what it does is it renders completely inert things like viruses, bacteria, molds, mildews, even odors, VOCs, volatile organic compounds that are in the air, things that are harmful for us to breathe. It actually helps particles that are in the air clump together so that those become reduced. They either fall out of the air, makes our filters more efficient. Also emits a zinc ion. We see a lot of the cold substances when this first started to hit, all of the zinc producing cough drops and things like that were gone. You couldn't find them. Viruses cannot thrive in the presence of zinc. So that helps kill viruses on surfaces. So things like doorknobs, counters, the toilet handle, all the things that we touch on a daily basis.
And you guys can still come and do that. And really, it's good for it. It's good for somebody, despite what's going on right now, somebody who has allergies and things. This could help you all the time. You guys are still working right now. You can come out. You're taking measures to make sure you do that safely. You can come out right now.
Correct. Again, this is all stuff that we've been doing all along. We want to make sure we are taking every precaution we can. We are offering absolute no-touch installations, no-touch sales visits. We can do a presentation on FaceTime. We can measure a customer's home from the outside. We can do the installation with no contact with you if your furnace is in your garage. If your system is in your basement, we can stay as far away as possible. Things can be done that way. We are offering outside-only tune-ups on some newer air conditioning systems where we can tune up that outside unit right now if they're less than 5 years old and stay outside of your house completely, where we know the outside unit is done, and then we'll take special care in the fall to take care of the coil inside and things like that to make sure we're taking care of those customers. We're asking every customer in every home we go into right now, has anyone been sick? We're not going any of those homes. And again, we're not sending any customers into homes or employees into homes if any of us have been sick as well.
You're making sure that they're staying safe, and now is the time they can help you stay safer in your home. So give them a call at Home Comfort Experts today, 260-490-5100. We'll be right back.